Some of the assignments will ask you to give a response to a question or to do a reflection on an experience. And sometimes you'll be asked to write that out or type something into a text box. Sometimes it's going to be a different way. And in this case, it's going to be using a tool called Flip or Flipgrid. If you're not sure how to use it, I'm just going to go through it right now really quick. If you've used it before, this will be a piece of cake for you. So in this assignment, so volunteer reflection assignment, this is an example of one of the assignments that asks you to use Flip. So I'll just scroll down to here where we've got this box for Flipgrid or Flip. I think it's just called Flip now. And there's a few different ways that you can log in. So you can either join with Microsoft, join with Google, join with Apple. I'm going to choose Microsoft because your NLSD account, if you have one, is a Microsoft account. So I'm going to click on that. And then it'll bring up, this will look familiar, it's just a login. Do my password. Oh, it says it's incorrect. There we go. And you can see that now I'm signed in. To do your reflection, you click down here where it says add a video. Or it might look different somewhere on here, though. It'll say something like add a video or make a video. And that's what you click on to get going. I'm just going to do that right now. If it asks if your computer can use your microphone and camera, just click yep. There we go. So to start, you can use the button right there. There's a whole bunch of features to make it look fancy if you like. That's how you use Flip to do a reflection.